access Collaborate Ultra, you'll need to make sure that it's on your course menu to the left. If you do not see it on your course menu, this is how you'll add it. Click the plus button in the top left, click Tool Link, you'll write Blackboard Collaborate or Office Hours or whatever you would like to name it. Under Type, click Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Available to users needs to be checked, and you'll click Submit. In order to start a session, you'll click on your new link in the menu, and you'll click Create Session. You'll then be able to name it, give it a start and end date. You can also say what kind of role you would like your guest to have. You can decide whether you would like this to repeat. So if I have this session every Wednesday, and how often you would like it to repeat. Make sure you edit your session settings for your default attendee role. If you're wanting students just to listen and share their video, they can be a participant. If they need to be able to share a presentation or their screen, make sure you make them a presenter. You'll also change what the participants can do in these settings right here. If you would like your attendance to be reported, you'll click right here and click Share Attendance. Decide when the students should be marked late or absent and how much of the session they need to participate in. You'll click Save to create that new session. Here's my folder of recurring sessions. So to go into any of those, I will click to open the folder. Select the session I'd like to attend and click Join Session. You can also dial in if you need to use your phone for any of these sessions. Once you're in the classroom, make sure that you share audio and video. There we are. You can hit cancel if you don't want to share or click Share Video. In order to share content, you'll open this Collaborate panel, the purple button on the bottom. You can chat here either with everyone or with an individual person. Here you'll see who is attending, and to share content, you will click this button. You can share a blank whiteboard, which allows you to write. Your tools are right up here. You can also type on the blank whiteboard, or you can share an application or screen. I have two screens on my monitor, so they will both show up here. I highly recommend this if possible. You can also share an application window, so if I'm wanting to specifically share my notebook or what I'm Googling in Google Chrome, I can do that, along with specific Chrome tabs. So if I would like to share this YouTube video, I will click Share, and they'll be able to see my screen. If I want to stop sharing, I will click Stop. Then I'm going to come back over to my Blackboard Collaborate. You can also share files such as images, PowerPoints, and PDFs. You can give a poll to your class. This is mostly opinion-based. You'll be able to see how many students think which item is correct, and a timer. You can also use breakout groups if you're wanting to give students the opportunity to talk in smaller groups. Make sure if you're wanting to record your session before it begins or once students have logged in, you will click this Start Recording button. At the end of the session, you will stop recording. Now let's look at how you will find your sessions. So to close your session, you will click Leave Session. Excellent. Then I'll come back to Blackboard. In order to record the session, we need to make sure we have a Blackboard Recordings tool here on our course menu. So I'll click plus, a tool link. I'm going to write Collaborate Videos. And we need to select the Collaborate Scheduling Manager and make it available. Then click Submit. When you come into this page, the Collaborate Videos page, you can click Recordings, insert the dates that you would like to search between, and click Go. Then your recordings, any that have finished processing from Blackboard, should show up here. You should also receive an email from Blackboard once your video has completed processing. Those are your basics on Blackboard Collaborate.